Welcome to another video. Misa with Mrs. Mobile Detailing here once again. Today we're gonna do this video inside my home. We are going to review this Mytee carpet extractor that we did. I'm gonna give you the reason why I bought it and just unbox it with you guys. I haven't opened it any other than this. Just kind of see it from on top, but I have not taken anything out of it. So just gonna explain, the difference between this one and the vacuum cleaner that I've been working with. I think I know that I have a video, but I'll try to link it up so you can just go ahead and see it if you cannot afford this. I'm gonna tell you the pricing of this thing and just my thoughts. I haven't used one of this before, besides when I used to work at a car wash. So I'm really excited to do this with you guys. First of all, I wanna give a big shout out to the Clean Garage. They had the best pricing for the unit that I was looking for. I think I had it in my hands within 3 to 4 days. So shipping was great. They had a code for May, in case you want to use it. It's May 8th. May, the word May, M-A-Y, and then the number 8. I think you get like 8% off. But yeah, I'm not affiliated with them. I just really like the customer service and everything that they offer and the experience overall. I like how they, on the box, added handle with care, and then over here has a paragraph for explaining if something's damaged, that the unit was in good conditions, and that in case there's some damage to the unit that is not visible. So I like that. And then we just open this, and we have the machine in here. All right, I hope that is a good angle for this. So we're gonna start unboxing this stuff right here. This is like the little handle to push the carpet extractor. I'm gonna be laying them right here on the side and make sure that we're still getting good coverage of it. There we go. We got our hoses for the water. We got a little sock to protect from the hot water. This is a heater unit. So the end of that goes connected to the wand right here. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. Gets hot, so that's just to avoid you getting burnt. Let's see here. And now we have the unit itself. Just want to show it to you guys. There it is. All right, so I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna start messing with it. I have the extension cord right here. So let's see what it looks like. It looks like it's pretty long. I don't even know what the length of the cord is, but it looks pretty lengthy, which is nice. I use long extension cords on the job, so it doesn't really matter to me, but some people might. So yeah, I don't know. I think at least 8 foot, I would say. I don't know. I need to double check, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see here. Like I said, I have no idea how this works. So this goes like this somewhere. Oh, interesting. Maybe like this. Oh, it goes right here, I believe. Right? Oh yeah, it goes right there. And there should be some bolts, nuts, and things to make it tighter. Let's open this box where we have the hoses. Oh, and here's our wand too. It's all wrapped and protected. Let's just open it here, show it to the camera. There you go. This is like the other one that I have. This piece itself is like $100, something like that. So be careful not breaking it, because if you break it, it's like $100 to get a new one. So let's see. Let's keep moving. Find the pieces. Yep. It'll be right here. That's the little sock that I was talking to you about, the heat guard to wrap it around the heated section. Let's see here. There you go. This is what we need to attach this to this right here. So let's get that going. There it is. Just bolted this over here. It doesn't come with a screwdriver, so you might need get your own screwdriver for that. But yep, there it is. There you have it. Alright. Comes with some Velcro to keep the hose, the water hose, and the vacuum hose together. Really easy way to install this. Let's see here. So this goes here. Really easy to get on and off. Just twist. And then this is for the water. I'm gonna go down here. Oh, I'm gonna low. One wheel block it. There you go. No sliding too much on me. There you go. So there's that. And there's this. It's a little hole right here to attach it to this thing right here. So there you go. And I'm assuming I'm not reading the instructions as I should, I guess. All right, so I just found this thing. It's called Cuties. I was wondering what they were for. Apparently they're for to put it right here. I'm assuming so it gets hot if you need to release it, you don't burn yourself. So I'm gonna install this other one right here, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. All right, so I'm gonna try not to cover the camera. So you install it like this on one side, and it has like a little thing right there will snap onto each other. So just put it right here. Make sure it's not going anywhere. And then the other side, you're gonna hear snap. That's it. Another thing that I discovered, and I did without on the camera, is this drain hose right here. I connected this extension right here so it's to drain all of your crap that you extract. This is really cool because I thought this was it, right? The length, which is about probably 1.5 to 2 feet, but it actually extends to probably about 4 feet, I would say. So really lengthy in case that you need to dispose of the thing, you know, cannot move this thing around. You can just go like far away and do it, and it retracts. So you just gotta do the same way and just retract it. So really cool. It goes back to its normal size, and then you can just hang it over here for just being practical and easy to move around. It's not on the way. I like that. I just want to show you guys that. All right, so this hose comes off to fill up the tank. Like I was saying earlier, this thing is gonna wrap around spigot, right, like that. We're gonna give it a try and see if it spills any water. We're gonna try to fill the tank up, and so we can just test the heat, the unit, the traction, and make sure that everything's working. So it's working pretty good so far. Get the water filled up. Just holding it like that. If I let go, it just drains like that. So I have to just put it a little tight like that in. Looks good. Oh, that's pretty kind of cool. Shows you when it's plugged in. I like that. I'd say to turn the pump on. Pump's on. Oh shoot. Alright, I guess it's working now. We're just gonna test it out right here. Point the wand to that. Make sure they wouldn't spill it outside. Well, Pump is working. All right, I just touched the water, and I don't know if you can see on the video, but I touched it and it's freaking hot. I mean, this thing's steaming up. So yeah, the heater works. All right, so after all that, I wanted to give it a try and extract this cushion that needed some extraction. We spilled something and it worked great on it. Well, we're just gonna let it dry and just check on it later, but we're great. So here is the whole unit. Like I said, this is where the water comes from. The pump should be somewhere down there. And the heater. This is the vacuum right here. You just rub it up like that. This is the drain plug. I'm about to drain it, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And then just the extension cord hanging over there. Overall, pretty neat, pretty nice little setup. This was $1,100 on the Clean Garage, like I mentioned earlier. Really good buy, honestly, really good buy. I'm about to compare it to the one that I currently have, and then just talk about those two. Boom, there you go, and it's flowing out. That's all the water that we extracted, that we drained. Just gonna tilt a little bit more, just so you can get most of the water out. It's mostly clean water, so I'm not too concerned. So yeah, just draining like that. All right, that should be good. Oh, never mind, it wasn't good. Gotta lift this thing right here, and all drain. All right, so right here we have what I've been using. This is a normal rigid shop vacuum, and then we have a steamer. What I've been using before is I heat up, I spray all my chemicals, heat up the fabric with the steamer, and then I extract. Let me move you out guys over here. As you can see here, this is the same one, exactly the same one as this one right here. This one is a little newer, right? This is the brand new. This is probably like about a month or two old. I got an air hose, right? And made an attachment to replace this right here, which is the water source. The main difference between these two with the water is this one has a pump and this one doesn't. So because it doesn't have a pump, I need a spigot, right? From just outside to hook it up and have some, so I can have some pressure to extract, right? It works the same. It's just, I need a spigot, something that has pressure on it. With this one, I don't need it. I can just hook it up, fill it up with water, and that's it. I don't need a steamer because this one has really hot water, hot to the touch. I burned myself a couple times. Want to make sure that it was that hot. So yeah, one machine provides the heat and provides the pressure to come out of the one, which it comes out of right here, without having to plug it into any spigot outside. So it comes with the pressure. That's the main difference, number one. Now, number two, the difference number two would be that this is really nice and neat, right? I can just move it around. I can just drain it through here. I'm sure that I need to clean it every now and then inside, especially after a really dirty detail. But in this case right here, every time I finish a job, I just have some Velcros here to keep everything together. It's not as neat. It doesn't have wheels. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger, but it works great. This one's a little bit smaller and more concealable, more able to like just pack it on tight spaces. But for what I was needing, this one does the job better, easier. And I'm hoping faster. I don't know how to compare it to just yet, but it's really easy to use. I really like this little compartment right here that they have. Have no idea what it is. I'm sure it's for chemicals to clean, but that would be the main difference. Number two, this one's there's more mechanic. You know, it's not as nice. You have to just open it and clean the filter on the inside, and not as nice as this one, right? So that'll be the difference, number two. All right, and my last and most important difference between these two is that this product. This machine is very well made. This one's really good material too. But I just like the quality overall. I like the plastic, on the hose. I like this little water hose that is super small. And I mean, it's good for heat, right? This one during summer, sometimes summer is like really hot. So this one's getting heated with water in the inside. And because it was getting hot, this air hose, which is what it is, an air hose, was getting so soft and it was expanding, right? It was getting like really hot and it was expanding to the point where it would burst, right? It would get really thin and barely any scratch and poop, it would just start leaking. This one right here is like heavy duty. It's not gonna happen. This is made to work with heat, even though this one was never worked with actual heat source any other than the sun making this hose hot, making the water hot inside this hose. This one is meant to be heated. It's not gonna happen the same. I'm sure many months or years after you buy it, it's gonna have some wear and tear, and it might happen, but I don't have to worry about that. Quality, overall, this is really good. This is also good quality. I believe that this set right here without the steamer was about $350, $400, including the price of the vacuum, the hose attachment, and then all of the little gadgets, including the wand, just about $400. That's what it cost me. And then the steamer is like 100 and something. I believe the 150, I think so. And this unit right here is 1100. So yeah, this is cheaper. If you get started with the detailing, yeah, this is great. This one over here, on the other hand, if you are doing more detailings where you're trying to speed up the process and something like a little cleaner, more professional, this will be the way to go. All right, that's it for today's video. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends. We're trying to grow the channel, try to be more involved with things that we do around our business. Please leave us a comment. I like it, I didn't like it. Just anything, any feedback will be greatly appreciated. Like I said, any questions, you can let me know. I'm gonna attach the video of that carpet extractor somewhere here on this video before it ends, or in the description. That video is gonna have all the things that you might need, all the links. And I'll also share a link for this carpet extractor right here. And like I said, any questions, let me know. If not, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.